Norris. I've been teaching life cycle assessment here at Harvard since the late 90s. The Japanese government asked me to define sustainability in a project, and I ended up with thriving in ways that promote thriving of present and future generations. So instead of just meeting needs, how about really thriving, flourishing, and doing so in ways that don't just meet other people's needs, but that help them flourish. Recently, I took a wonderful position as co-director of SHINE within the Harvard School of Public Health. SHINE stands for Sustainability and Health Initiative for NetPositive Enterprise. SHINE is really about broadening how we look at sustainability, or how we see sustainability impacts and improve them in two dimensions. So one dimension is about the net positive, looking for not only ways to reduce our footprint, but also ways to increase what we call handprints, positive impacts that you have in the world on sustainability aspects. And by the way, there are three ways to sort of create a handprint. One is to shrink your own footprint, which, as we know, tends to be the impacts of our own operations and the supply chains, the total global supply chains that bring us the things we buy and use every day. Second, you can help other people reduce their footprint, which currently doesn't show up in most sustainability assessment frameworks. And third, you can take restorative action, things like cleaning up a beach, planting a tree, building a playground. So part of SHINE, the net positive enterprise part, is helping companies look at ways that they can create handprints in addition to continuously reducing their footprints, and become net positive, meaning that their handprint is bigger than their footprint. And the other dimension of SHINE is expanding our awareness of the many ways that organizations are impacting the health and well-being of people, starting with the way work is experienced. Has huge impacts on not only the employees of the organization, but their families and their wider communities. And then looking at, again, ways that we can improve the human health and well-being consequences of organizations beyond their own walls, so to their supply chain or to other communities. So it's not forget your footprint, it's please don't be constrained by your footprint and reducing it, because there are huge footprints out there that you can also maybe thrive by helping them reduce. We need more of you, not less. You know, we need more of your creativity, more of the positive impacts that you can have. You can be a net positive, member of the living community here on Earth, just like the trees and and the animals that are contributing to the web of life. I mean, humanity can actually be a nurturing good news for the web of life on Earth from this point forward. Each one of us can do that, organizations can do that.